Take me away from home.
Hey guys, Savage Racing Drift build, 98 Dodge Grand Caravan, twin turbo LS powered, flamethrower machine, 6-seater. Can't wait for your Savage Racing. Over and out. Here we go, baby. Just got the drift van in the shop. Get all the interior stripped out. Get the roll cage going, you know. 6-seater. I'm gonna tear it down. This is gonna be fun.
It smells like old people. Lights.
Big one here, big one there. Probably the same thing on the other side. Go.
That was in. Ooh, you okay? I got that on camera. Look at that skill. Nice. Nice. Wait, you might have to take that home. Yeah. Oh, easy there, buddy.
Taking this factory fuel tank out. What a pain in the neck. On to the next. Boom. A little bit of progress. And then plating the top probably too and the bottom so I can make it stronger. Because the 240, that's kind of what they have. This cross member that I'm gonna have to build. Just getting the front end cross member mocked up. Just getting these tacked in and then gonna get the cross piece tacked in. We just need to match that same thing on the other. Will you look under the front here and how much is it hanging down here? Got the cross member back in, moved back a couple inches. And got now our lower control arm pickup points off of this instead of trying to build something off the back of it. This will definitely help because I can use the 240 basically factory location on the back of this and use all 240 stuff. So should work out pretty good. So next step, get the 240 knuckles, suspension, mock it up on here, see how it looks. Got the 240 suspension somewhat mocked up. Pretty good in there. Still need the front arm obviously hooked up. But yeah. And this will be forward a little bit more. Looks like it'll work really well actually.